take a look at the Johnson & Johnson Travel Ready First Aid Kit. So this is great if you're going on a trip. I just took it on a camping trip, and it was really nice to have this around. It's just your basic first aid supplies. Johnson & Johnson, great company, so you know it's good quality. We've got this nice package here. It's not a waterproof box. It'd be nice to have it be fully waterproof, but it is quite secure. So you can see when we open it up, it has a nice chart showing what you've got in there. Firstly, we've got a little first aid fundamentals book, and then we've got, again, Johnson & Johnson branded things. So hand cleaning wipes, we've got some Tylenol, we've got Band-Aids, Neosporin, gauze packs, gauze tape, all the stuff that you would need for basic first aid. I think, again, it's great for a camping trip. It's a perfect thing to keep in your car. It's great to put in a diaper bag, too, if you've got little kids and you want to bring this along. And I also think it's fantastic for things like going to a soccer game or something where you don't want to carry a whole giant first aid kit, but you just want to have those basics ready. It does have an expiration date printed on it, which is nice too, so you know everything in there is still good and still fresh and ready to go if it's before that date. So overall, really nice little kit. Again, I took this along on my camping trip. Very lightweight, very easy to take, and then it's there for you if you need it.